Welcome to Tai Chi for Arthritis. This routine will help support your joints, reduce stiffness, and bring relief through calming, mindful movements. The hands can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bringing it in towards the heart, and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Nice and slow, really feeling the sensations. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, softening down. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, just to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, softening down. Opening the door. Starting out on the path. Or continuing. One more time. Breathing in. Breathing out. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down. Holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, creating space in the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. Switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time, if you want, you can do a side bend. Just easing in nice and soft. Once more to the other side, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation. All right, one more time. And then the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around. The dragon swings its tail, making little ripples in the water, sending waves out in all directions. One more time, drift across. And then from here, the hands come together in prayer position. You come right in front of the heart. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. And then softening down, softening the hips and knees. And then as you rise up to the side, the fingertips point out, look to the side, coming back down to center, coming the other way, looking to the other side. The dragon looks side to side, softening down and rising up. Breathing in and breathing out. And as always, it doesn't matter how low you go, just coming down comfortably and rising up. One more time, the dragon looks side to side. And then from here, the hands turn onto their side and drift right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across the eye level, and then the heart, lower abdomen, floating back up, drift across, swimming dragon. You can really lean into it if you like, just feeling the flow. And one more round, drift across, up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then release, round out, hugging the tree, bring it to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the hands draw in towards the heart, and then push out to the side. Draw the hands back in, push out to the other side. The dragon stretches its tail. Nice gentle stretch. This time you can tap your toes out to the side as well. On the opposite side, bring them back in. Other side, tap the toes right out to the side. A gentle reach, side to side. All right, one more time. The dragon stretches its tail. And then step in and hug the trees. And then from here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. The bottom hand drops down, toss away. The elbow bends, the hand waves in, and then pushes forward. Repulsing the monkey. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in to center and then moves forward. Calming the monkey mind. Breathing in and breathing out. Focusing the attention. Bringing your awareness into the here and now. All right, one more time, repulsing the monkey. This time, both hands drift over to the side, and then both hands float down. They brush out to the corner. They circle around, and then brush out to the other corner, making a figure 8 in front of the body. Gentle rotation as we polish the table. It's like your hands are gliding on a nice smooth surface. And if you get lost, you can simply just sway side to side. That works too. It's more about how it feels than how it looks. All right, one more time, polishing the table. And then both arms drift over to shoulder height on the other side, and then switching sides again. Nice gentle sway. And then this time, this hand here scoops down and then comes right out in front to eye level, and then down. Same side, just the arms at first. The hand comes out in front, the other one by the hip, and then down. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. The rooster stands on one leg. Stepping back down, and you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up, meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. All right, one more time on this side. The rooster stands on one leg. And then from here, the arms drift over to the other side, floating up to shoulder height, taking your time. And then this hand scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level, and then down. Same side again, just the arms at first. The hand comes out in front, the other one by the hip, and down. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed, the elbow right over the thigh. Touching down or lifting up, letting go of judgment the best you can. See if you can bring curiosity instead. One more time, the rooster stands on one leg. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. So we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circling in front, hugging the tree. And then both arms drift over to the side and down, floating side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. The arms can stay low this time. Just shifting side to side. Nice gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side. This time, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Other side, shift the weight, tap the heel. All All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart. Playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Breathing in, breathing out. Circling it around, tapping the heel, the hands come right out in front. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step in and hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang. Creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. And as always, just going down as much as you can comfortably. One more time, harmonizing yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And from here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down. Palms face up, one hand on top of the other by the lower abdomen. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. And then circle the hands in front, gathering in the energy. Bring it into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. And then down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time, making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart. And then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. We can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.